In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this OPPO. Begin by accessing Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and tap on System Settings. Then select one-handed mode and click on this gray sweater in order to activate it. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to tap on Settings in order to switch to Gestures. Now click on Gestures over here and click on Learn or Cancel. Then go back by tapping on the top left corner. Finally, you can click on the sweater and follow all of those instructions. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can go back by tapping on this area over here or swiping up. In order to go back to Tricky's navigation, disable one-handed mode, click on the top left corner and tap on System Navigation. Then click on Buttons. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!